Hi everybody, this is Laura, City Scrapper. Thank you so much for joining me on my channel today. Today I have an unboxing of the March My Creative Scrapbook Limited Edition Kit. First, I'm going to show you the papers that came in the collection, and then I'll show you some of the other items that were included. The papers from this month are from the Prima collection called Peach Tea, and it's designed by Frank Garcia, and I love the way Frank Garcia designs with the most beautiful colors. I absolutely love the color scheme, so I'm gonna jump right in and get started showing you these papers. So we get 2 sheets of this paper. On the front, this is a fantastic paper to use as a background. And then on the back, there are these beautiful jars with flowers coming out of them. And I just love the pink, the peach, and the turquoisey blue. I guess it's more of a greenish blue color. The next paper has wreaths on the front. And we get 2 of this sheet as well. And on the back, there are some cut-aparts. Here is another great paper to use as a background, and on the other side, there's another paper that I am really looking forward to using as a background, and you don't have to choose because there are 2 sheets of this paper as well. Beautiful. Here are some of the smaller cut-aparts, the 3 by 4 inch cut-aparts. And I love the hot air balloons, and there's also a little bit of an ocean theme in here as well. And then on the other side is a pattern that has roses and peaches. And again, there are 2 sheets of that paper. Now, I love this paper. There are so many things to cut apart. There are peaches with roses, there's the hot air balloon, there are these beautiful ladies, here's more of the jars in a really nice size. But on the other side of this is also this absolutely gorgeous wood green. So both sides of this paper are absolutely stunning. And then here's a paper that has the hot air balloons with the roses on them. And then a really pretty pink dot on the other side. So those are all the papers that are in this collection and in this kit. The next item is the chipboard that matches the peach tea papers. And I'm going to hold it a little bit closer so you could see the images. Chipboard is one of my favorite embellishments. I like all the embellishments, but I really love chipboard. There's something about the thickness of them. I love the way they're so substantial, and there's just something about chipboard that I love. So look at all those beautiful images. They are images that we see in the pattern papers, and then some new images as well. So pretty. The next thing I'm going to show you are the pocket cards that came in this kit. On the B side, all of the cards have this back. I'm going to show you all the fronts so you can get an idea of the images that are on these cards. This says, "You are simply peachy." This says, "Just peachy." "Let's fly sky high." Beautiful picture of a house. And I love the pocket cards, especially to fussy cut out images, but also to use as titles, depending on what the need is on the page. This says, "Be the sunshine." There's this beautiful image of this Victorian lady with that huge hat. That must be a challenge to wear a hat like that. Here are the jars with the flowers. That gorgeous wood grain. Here's some music notes, and I could see using some of these as layering pieces as well. This says, "All the simple things." "Cash paid to treasurer." I could also see this as a layering piece. "The sweetest feeling." There's that image of that woman with the beautiful hat with the flowers and the peaches on top. And those are all the cards that we get. And those will be a nice addition to the papers. We also get this stencil, which I believe is a Vicky Bouton stencil, and I just love the pattern on this. This is very delicate and detailed. Beautiful. The next thing we got was this Prima stamp. This stamp is the perfect size in my opinion. We got a stamp that was the same format a while back from My Creative Scrapbook, and I use it frequently because I really like the way I can just hold the stamp in my hand. I usually don't use a stamp block, sometimes I do, but when I'm making a background, I like to just hold the stamp in my hand and press it down gently against the paper. This stamp size is perfect for doing that. And then I also like the way I can fit it into little corners where I might not have put enough stamping later on in creating the layout. So I was very excited to see this. I love using these clear stamps that are nice and small. We also got this ephemera pack, and I'm going to take everything out. These are all the images, but I don't know if you can really tell from this picture, so I'm going to just take everything out of the ephemera pack and show you. There are 29 pieces in this pack, and so we have this piece that has some flowers and peaches, some butterflies. Here's that beautiful Victorian woman. This is an image I haven't seen yet. You could see the mirror and the image of the woman in the mirror. Here's a butterfly. This says just peachy. Here is a rocking chair with peaches and a jar on it. We have a tag, another tag that's blue. We also have this sentiment. It says, "Life is sweet with you by my side." And then look at this boot with the flowers coming out of it. I feel like you could just make flowers coming out of pretty much anything and it's going to look great. This says, "Made fresh daily." Here is another image of a woman with a fancy hat on. Here are some jars with flowers on them, or in them, I should say. A beautiful teapot. Let's see here. Oh, it's a very light pink, beautiful butterfly. Another one of those jars in peach. There are a number of hearts. I'll just slide those over. And then we have measuring tape. A wreath with a bow on it. This says, "Such a beautiful day." A few more of those hearts. And then we have these two, I guess they're layering pieces. I think that this one is also a postcard. And this is super pretty too. It has a very pretty coppery rose gold foil on it, which a lot of the pieces do. And finally, another butterfly. So those are all the pieces that you get in the ephemera pack. And then finally, we have the 3 packs of flowers that come in each limited edition kit every month. So this month we have the Prima Flowers. These seem to coordinate perfectly with the pattern papers. And I love the way there's a variety in the centers of the flowers. Some of them are roses, so they don't have any beads in the center, but the other flowers have some yellow and some gold accents. I'm really looking forward to embellishing my layouts with these flowers, and I hope you really enjoyed seeing the kit revealed. At the very end of the video, I always show the layouts that I've made this month. I haven't made them as of now, but I will put them in at the end of the video so you can have a little preview of the videos that I will be making for you this month. In the description box, you'll find a link to the My Creative Scrapbook website. The link will take you right to the page where you can view the kits for this month, because this is a limited edition kit, but there are 3 other kits that are also absolutely wonderful. And if you would like to order, you can order right from that page. I hope that everybody has a fantastic day, and I hope to see you again soon. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.